Need a AI scientific illustration without starting from a blank canvas? With AI scientific illustration, describe the science visual you need and preview a structured draft. SciDraw can draft biological figures, medical illustrations, mechanisms, diagrams, materials visuals, and ecology concepts. Turn scientific concepts into illustrated drafts with clear labels, visual hierarchy, and consistent style. Export illustrations for papers, education, posters, and slides, including editable SVG and high-resolution formats. Try AI scientific illustration at SciDraw.com.